Autism or autism spectrum disorder refers to a broad range of conditions characterized by challenges with social skills, repetitive behaviors, speech, and nonverbal communication. So let us see certain things everyone should know about autism. The first one is a child with autism born with it. In previous times, many medical professionals and therefore society as a whole thought autism was either partially or wholly down to a child upbringing. We know now that autism is in fact a difference in the way of brain process information, so it is something that we are born with. The other is a person can't grow out of autism. Similar to people thinking there was an external cause for autism, we used to think that some children could case to be on the autistic spectrum as they grew and they develop. However, an autistic brain processes information in different ways, and this is not changed through the development. Many children go through therapy in order to help them cope in a society and people who mostly are not autistic and therefore appear to be coping and could be seen as not having autism anymore. The truth is, if you are born with autism, you will always have autism, but that doesn't have to be a bad thing. The third one is every child with autism is a unique. Some children are non-verbal and they may never be able to speak. Many children with autism are highly intelligent and they learn to read and write at an early age. Some children with an autism diagnosis can have unbelievable gift for math, music, or art. The other is every child with autism has his or her own strengths and weaknesses. And the other is children with autism usually have special interest. Teachers should use the child's passion as a motivational tool for learning new subjects. The other is children with autism usually have a repetitive behavioral pattern. So we should have to understand the child's routine and help him to follow his patterns to prevent a tantrum or meltdown. The seventh one is children with autism usually have sensory issues. Most of us pay little attention to our senses. When you feel cold, you put a sweater. When music is too loud, you turn down the volume. For some children with autism, senses provide unreliable information, causing greater discomfort and anxiety. The other is children with autism may display steaming behavior. When you bite your nails, tap your pencil, or twirl your hair, you are engaging in the behavior pattern called steaming. This behavior with children of autism can include flapping their hands up and down, pacing in circles, rocking back and forth, or spinning their whole body. The other is children with autism tend to experience difficulty with understanding verbal instruction. So teachers should write the instruction easy to follow steps and also use visual aids in classroom. Make sure your students understand your instructions. The other is children with autism may have difficulty decoding social cues. Inability to interpret nonverbal communication will cause a child to feel awkward in social settings. So we should teach our autistic patients or our autistic children to model their peers on the playground. The other is children with autism who lack social skills may have inappropriate and mean comments. The other is, like all children, children with autism need your love and encouragement. And as the end, no cure exists for autism spectrum disorder. But with the right support, difficulty can be managed so they can cope up with daily living. This is all about autism. Thank you for watching.